Hola my friends, how are you? I hope everybody's doing great. So here I have my March ice cream beauty box and I'm dying to see what's inside. So if you want to see what's inside, then keep on watching. Okay, let's see. Let me take off all of this first. Here's the card with all the information. And this one says, make your own luck. Awesome. Okay, I see here an Ofra product. Let's see what this is. Let me open it up. Blusher, because it brings a blush and a bronzer. Let's see some information about this. So this retails for $29, and this is a pinky peach rose blush and medium warm bronzer in one. It says every cheek is a better half with this liquid to baked formula that glides on and melts into skin. So this is pretty cute, let me tell you. Let me swatch it real quick here. That's the blush and this is the bronzer. I like it. It's like a dusty rose and it's matte. The next product I see here is from ZZ, and they always partner with ZZ. I've gotten a lot of products from ZZ that I like, so let's see what this is. This is the Redness Correcting Primer, and it retails for $22. It says, do not worry about the green shade. The green color will help counteract any redness on the skin. Once you blend the primer out, the green color will fade away. And then apply foundation on top. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this, but I'll think about it and I'll set it aside just in case. The next thing I see here is this liquid highlight drops, the gold opal one by Bay Beauty. Let's see how much this retails for. This retails for $35, and it says this is a cream highlight with a dropper, but the formula is thick, so we highly recommend using a brush instead of the dropper, as it makes it easier to pick up. The color is absolutely stunning. It has beautiful but light shift from white to gold. You can build it to make it more intense or blend it out for a subtle golden glow. Ooh, I'm super excited to try this out. And here we have Stina Face, the Velvet Dream Stick. Okay, this retails for $12. This is a densely pigmented lipstick formula that not only gives unbeatable color payoff that lasts, but also leaves your lips comfortable and hydrated. Let's see the shade. Cute packaging. And this is the color right here. I think I'm gonna like this. It's like a brown tone. Oh, it's stunning. I love browns like that. Very beautiful. I will be doing a look using these products in the next video, so stay tuned for that. I highly suggest you subscribing so you don't miss any future uploads. And then last but not least, we have the palette. And this is the palette in collaboration with Ladybug Glow and Ice Cream Beauty. And this is the End of the Rainbow palette. Look how beautiful that pot of gold. These are the ingredients in the bag, and of course it's cruelty free and all that good stuff. And it's exactly the same inside. And let's see the colors. It brings a mirror. And these are the gorgeous, beautiful shades. Let me swatch them so you can really see them. But first, let me tell you a little information about it. It retails for $30. And it says, we are so honored to have Ladybug Glow Cosmetics in our box for the first time ever. This is a collaboration palette and a great introduction to their amazing formula. This palette contains 2 duochromes, 1 multichrome, and 6 mattes. The duochromes are stunning. The mattes are so pigmented and easy to work with. Great, I'm super excited about this. I've never tried this brand before, so stay tuned for the next video because I'm going to be doing probably multiple looks with it. Here are the mattes. They're very pigmented and beautiful. So here are the 3 shimmers, duochromes actually I should say. It's gorgeous purple. Oh wow, that blue one is stunning. Very, very beautiful. I can't wait to put this on my eyes. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button because that helps me out a lot, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys.